Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about element styles. Now, the element styles are basically what you get when you click on a particular element. And what you see in the Styles tab over here, these are the inline styles. Now, if you go into W3C and look at the CSS, it says that there's essentially three different types. The CSS can be used as inline, which is like this, or it can be internal using a style tag, or external using a link tag. So in WebDigital, what we have here, these correspond to the inline styles. And the component styles, which is the topic for another video, they're considered internal or external, depending on how you want to see it. So let's set a few styles to see how that works. I mean, there's different styles everywhere, but you can set the width. That's one of the styles. There's detailed information about detailed videos about these different styles. You can set margins. You can set position, whatever we want to do. But the point here is that one of the advantages of text-based editing is that you can easily copy and paste styles. So, let's say you actually applied the blue color to a heading, and you actually wanted to apply to the paragraph. So it's just a pain to re-enter it. So let's say I actually entered these in the wrong element. So I entered these in the heading, and I actually wanted to add them to the paragraph. How do I do that? So the solution is called a style list. So you can actually enable that with a setting here. If you click the settings under Element Designer, there's this option called Element Styles List. So this is basically what allows us to be able to copy and paste styles. So let's get back to the style list. So when you look at the Element Designer, now it looks like it added another tab over here called Style List. So if I click on that, I see all the inline styles that I set for this element. And I can delete individual ones or undo, etc. I can delete all of them at the same time, or I can cut them, copy them, or paste whatever is in the clipboard. So let's just cut these for now. And so this brings our heading to the way that it was. And if I want to apply them to the paragraph, I click on the paragraph, and now I can paste them. And as you can see, the same styles now came to the paragraph, and I can see them over here when I click on its styles. Now, one thing to note here is, there's additional, like the inline styles are indicated with orange. I mean, sorry, blue. When there's also like orange buttons here, and when you hover over them, they show like additional styles information. And some of them you will see are crossed out, like in the size. We actually set the width inline, but there's a inherited style. So that's basically what's getting overridden here. That's basically how they're included. So they're in effect the external styles coming from CSS style sheets of the component, and we can override them using the inline styles of the elements. All right, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.